Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. I just have a real quick tip for you today about the color of the background viewer and why you may want to change it. I'm going to drag in a clip here from Pexels that I downloaded. And as you can probably see in this case, you can see that the video does not fit our viewer. So I'm going to change that to red and you'll see what I'm really talking about. So if you have your background viewer color set to red, even gray, it's much better than having it set to black because you can just notice things right off the bat. I always set mine to red when I'm editing videos. The only two times that I really don't is when I'm doing these tutorial videos. I keep it on black because that's what everybody's used to seeing. Or if I'm working with a lot of red or something, I may set it to another color. But me personally, I always keep it on red. Come here, viewer background, and change the color. You have checkerboard, you have black, you have red, and you have gray. I keep mine on red. I notice right away if things are off. That's my tip for you today. We'll see you in the next video.